பெருமையான விஷயம். நம்மளோட ஸ்டேட்டை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணி
We are very happy to be associated with Chennai Super Kings, who are going to be back after 2 years. And in line with our brand campaign, so CSK is first time associating with the bank, and our tagline also says back with the bank. So we welcome you all for the launch of this Yellow Army savings account. On the dais, we have Mr. Sanjeev Srivatsava, who is the president and country head for branch banking, liabilities and wealth management. To his left, we have, to his right, we have Mr. Dwayne Bravo. And immediately to his next, we have Murli Vijay, Indian cricketer, and we have Mr. Kasi Vishwanathan, CEO of Chennai Super Kings.
It's our proud privilege to be sharing this product feature for the first time in your gracious presence. Thank you so much for making it. So Equitas has a decade-year-old lineage in Chennai. It's a Chennai-based corporate. And all of you know very well that this group is well known for its various CSR initiatives. We run Equitas Gurukul schools. We have a NEST program for rehabilitation of payment dwellers. Besides this, we keep having a lot of medical checkups, camps, and the hospital projects. And we are very proud and delighted to be sharing with you that we are the very few corporates in the country who spends 5% of our profits on the various CSR initiatives. That's really, something great, and we really, very excited and, feel proud about it. So we got the, banking license in September 16. So now we are a small finance bank recognized by RBI. In our 18 months of journey, we have already set up 392 branches across 13 states and 2 union territories. It still continues to be pretty, Tamil Nadu owned or Tamil Nadu centric bank, because we have 40% of our branches, which is 156 to be precise, in count, in Tamil Nadu. We have 6,600 people who are currently working in Tamil Nadu, out of which about 2,200 people are working, in Chennai alone. As a bank, we distribute all kind of financial products, savings account, current accounts, recurring deposit, term deposit, payment wallet, all kind of diabetes product we have. Similarly, you can see on the right side, we do lend to all kind of customers through our various product, be it LAP, be it housing, be it vehicle finance, be it part of inclusive banking, all these things, which are traditionally functions of a bank, we are currently doing it. So we are extremely proud to be associated with the CSK, and we have got a lot of common, factors between CSK and Equitas Bank. So CSK is again a Chennai-based IPL team with a huge fan following pan-India, and it is one of the most followed team on a social media platform too. We are also a Chennai-based bank, which has got footprint all across India. CSK radiates a lot of fun and exuberance, and similarly we also carry a theme of fun banking, right? And many of you would have probably seen that too. Both of us share a common yellow theme, which is a color of positivity, exuberance, joy, fun, excitement, all those things. So we are very proud to be associated with CSK as a principal sponsor and official banking partner for the next 3 seasons. So we are here to launch our new Yellow Army savings account. So what is this product? So I will briefly discuss about the product features. So it has a very unique welcome kit which we offer to the customer, those who open the account, which I will talk in the next slide. It has a unique co-branded card with the player's image and logo on the card. And also it has some very exciting feature and host of benefits which we offer along with this product and the card.
Let me at the outset welcome the print and the electronic media who come in good numbers for the press meet of Equitas in connection with our CSKCL programs. We are happy and delighted to be associated with Equitas Small Finance Bank, the first private sector bank from Tamil Nadu, who have over 392 branches spread over 13 states in the country. This will enable all the account holders and the debit card holders to have a very good coverage of the CSK CL players' images, and as explained by Sanjeev, the benefits of using the scheme is very well documented, and I am sure that the CSK CL fans who are great in numbers will be able to utilize this opportunity and increase the fan following of CSK CL as well as spread the Equitas Bank's name throughout the country. I would like to once again thank Equitas Bank for having associated with CSK CL for the next 3 years. I think they are going to be our sponsors on the back of on the leading arm and on the back of the helmet and the cap.
It's a fantastic opportunity for me and to be back with CSK and the brand of cricket the CSK was playing before and now it's going to be fantastic for me to contribute the winning cause. So it's a great opportunity and I'm blessed.
Yeah. Santosh. Hi, Dwayne. The West Indies have qualified for the World Cup, and at one point yesterday it looked highly doubtful their qualification. Could you see World Cup without West Indies? Could you imagine a World Cup without West Indies?
First of all, congratulations to the team on qualifying. I'm happy for the guys. A World Cup playing without West Indies. I mean, there's FIFA World Cup without Italy. So these things are possible. No one team or one country is guaranteed anything. But at the same time, I'm very happy that West Indies actually make it. There's a young team. I wish them all the best. I honestly believe they deserve to be there despite what's going on in West Indies cricket. But, the cricketing world and, love West Indies and love to see West Indies competing amongst the best. And we always do well in World Cups. Hopefully I play the World Cup as well.
Dwayne, welcome to Chennai. How is it feeling now, their loss? You have been going all around the world playing T20 cricket, Big Bash. So now back to Chennai. So what are your thoughts on this season and how do you see yourself?
Well, I'm looking forward to it. Coming back to Chennai is like coming back home for me. We missed out the last 2 years, but I was looking at the auction. I was there in Australia, and I was really hoping and praying that I come back here in Chennai. I'm very thankful for the management team for showing a lot of faith in me. I take a rest. I didn't play any cricket after the Big Bash. I wanted to make sure that prepare myself mentally and physically to come and give my all for the city and for the franchise. And I know the people here in Chennai suffer for the last 2 years, but apart from that, we are happy. Most of us are back. We have VJs back again, so everyone is happy, and I'm looking forward to this tournament.
The question to Bravo. I mean, if you see all your West Indian players, I mean, all of you have been doing extremely well in the IPL. You have been part of the other leagues also. What is that propels all the West Indian cricketers to do well in the IPL? All of you doing well, Naren, Russell, anybody, Pollard. You can't think of IPL without West Indian cricketers. Why is that so?
We fancy ourselves in the shortest format of the game. It's really T20 is about entertainment, is about flair, and that is what attracts the fans to the stadium. You know, the brand of cricket that we play as West Indians, the flamboyant of, you know, Chris Gayle, Pollard, Narang, Russell, myself, Darren Sammy, all of us play the game with the right spirit, the right flair, the right attitude. We are natural entertainers. At the same time, we like to win tournaments. You know, for me, every T20 league that I take part in, I've been successful, and also with 2 World Cups as well. So it's not about just playing in tournaments, but it's about winning tournaments. And for us as West Indian players, our name go a long way, and we enjoy playing in these competitions. And again, it's more so for our fans, the people. Everyone enjoy life. Everyone enjoy life. The people here in India enjoy their life. Here in Chennai, they enjoy their life. I enjoy my time here in Chennai as well. So you look at Team India, how they play. They play with a lot of flair, flamboyance as well. So the brand of cricket, the T20 cricket, I think, develop a lot of players, make players become more fearless, make players believe in themselves a lot more. And that's because of T20 cricket. So, you know, enjoyment is part of the game, having fun, and that's when you perform at the best.
Yeah, Dinakar. Question to Vijay. Vijay, you had to battle hard during the Test series against South Africa, and then things didn't exactly go according to plan for TN as well. Is this an ideal opportunity to just free your mind and forget what's happened in the recent past?
Sorry, I didn't exactly get your point, bro.
You had a tough Test series against South Africa, and then things didn't go exactly according to plan for TN as well. Here with CSK in the IPL, is this an ideal opportunity to just free your mind and forget what's happened in the recent past? And
I always have a free mind. It's just about getting opportunities, and I'm blessed to have this time off to get myself more fitter. And I'm really looking forward for this, IPL stint, and hopefully we can, as a team, play whatever the brand of cricket we are going to decide to play and accomplish that. So that's going to be interesting times for us.
Dinakar.
Vijay, you had a very successful stint at CSK in your earlier tenure, and you played some explosive innings at the top. I mean, it was you were a classical Test opener in the longer format, but in T20 cricket, you played explosive cricket for CSK. What are your fond memories from those days in CSK, and how do you look forward to the days ahead?
One good thing about playing for CSK is, as a team, we always put the team ahead of individual performance, and it is very difficult in franchise-based cricket because the outstation players and the domestic players got to have a right rapport to make the team in a competitive level, and which we did it with ease. And I think that is going to be important for us to start from this season, and hopefully we can do that with more fun and, as Bravo said, more flair.
Any memories from your earlier stage for CSK?
A lot of memories. The win against Bombay in Bombay was special for me, and like that, a lot more memories are there with CSK, and we are here to create more memories, and hopefully we can do that.
Santosh.
Vijay, after IPL, Indian cricket team is likely to go to England a little early. And are you open to the idea of having a county stint before the England series starts?
And it's definitely going to help us ahead, and yeah, we are all looking for that, and hopefully the opportunity is open for us to play few matches before the Test series or the ODI. So it is going, yeah.
County stint with any
Yeah,
particular
exactly,
team?
county, yeah. But there's a procedure for it. You got to wait, and if the outstation players are not there, then you got to get an opportunity to go and play. So there's a lot of procedure involved in that. It's not that easy. But
Did anyone approach you from the county?
yeah, they did approach me. Yeah, after seeing the first day's auction, yes, a lot of people approached me.
Yeah, Bhagwati.
This is for Kasi sir. You said that Mitchell Santner was a big part of your plans in the IPL. Now he's injured. How big a loss is Santner for you guys? And what are your thoughts on the possible replacement? Is it going to be a like-for-like replacement or?
See, as you rightly said, Mitchell was a very important part in our earlier decision. But as of now, it is left to the team management, especially the captain, the coach, to decide on the replacement. Whether we go in for a like-to-like replacement or else it will be decided by the team management. As administrators, we will only look up to the team management to decide on that and inform us.
Deepak.
My question is to Bravo. After the auction, you had said that Super Kings was the best T20 franchise you had played. So, what separates CSK from the other franchises that you have played for?
It's like a family. This is not just a cricket team. Apart from playing in the IPL, players actually keep in touch with each other. The management staff keep in touch with players, and that goes a long way. Most of my following are from fans here in India, and more so here in Chennai. And I can feel the love and the appreciation from the fans. This team is a very special team. It's being led by the best captain in the world. So, and to play under MS for any player is a special moment. And for me personally, Chennai Super Kings have done a lot for me. And yeah, I just enjoy playing for them and representing the Yellow Army.
Last 4 questions.
This is for Bravo. The last 5 years you played with seamers here. The last 5 years you played with seamers like Bollinger, Hilfanas and Nehra, the experienced ones. But this year you are the only experienced pacer in the side. Will this be an added pressure for you?
No pressure. This is one of the most experienced squad that we have. You have guys like Shane Watson, Jadeja is still around, MS is here, so we have a lot of experience. So no pressure for me personally. As Captain Cool always said, pressure is something you embrace and enjoy the moment. And I am excited to be a part of the setup again and to work with the young local talents, especially the fast bowlers. And then they have the international quicks as well. So no pressure for me personally. I just looking forward to being part of a very talented group and a well-experienced group as well.
Last 3, Muthukumar, Ashok Anand and Bhagwati.
முரளி விஜய், 2 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு பிறகு நம்ம சென்னை அணிக்கு திரும்பியிருக்கீங்க. ஹோம் டீமை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்ற கனவு எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கும். நீங்கள் அதர் டீம்ஸ்லையும் விளையாடுறீங்க. இந்த அணிக்கு திரும்பி இருக்கிறது எவ்வளோ மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்குது? அதே நேரம் மற்ற ஃப்ரான்ச்சைசிக்கும் சென்னைக்கும் என்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறீங்க விளையாடுறப்ப?
கண்டிப்பாக அது ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. நம்ம ஊரில் ஆடுறது ஒரு பெருமையான விஷயம். நம்மளோட ஸ்டேட்டை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணி ஆடுறதுன்ற ஒரு பெருமையான விஷயம். பட் ஆனால் அதே மாதிரி நீங்கள் சிஎஸ்கேவே மற்ற டீமை கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியாது. ஏன்னா இது ஒரு பிராவோ சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபேமிலி மாதிரி ஒரு அட்மாஸ்பியர் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, ஃபாரினர்ஸ் அண்ட் டொமஸ்டிக் பிளேயர்ஸ். ஸோ அது ரொம்ப ரேர். நான் ஆடின எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸில் ரொம்ப ரேர் அந்த மாதிரி அமையிறது. ஸோ ஆப்வியஸாக யூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு மேலே பார்க்கணும். கண்டிப்பாக இந்த விஷயம் நல்லா பண்ணுவோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, the question to Bravo. I think Many people believe in the future there could be only Test cricket and 2020. What is your take? Is it good for the game?
I'm no one to say what should play. There's Test cricket, there's T20, there's T10, and there's 50-50. So all cricket should play. I'm not anyone to say what should play and what shouldn't play. I believe there's a space for all formats of the game, and that's important.
Yeah, last two.
Vijay, two very important test series coming up for India this year, England, Australia. Going from the IPL, will it be difficult adjusting for you? I mean, towards the end of the South Africa series, you seem to start leaving the ball well again, and now again T20 and then test. How?
Bro, we got a lot of time ahead of England and Australia, I guess, and we are professional enough to acclimatize and put up a better show in this two series, and hopefully we'll do that. And the team is wanting to do well. And since South Africa, I think we did a great job. And unfortunately, we ended up in the wrong side. But I thought the effort level was fantastic from the bowlers. Just the batsmen let the thing down initially, and then we could capitalize in the last test match. You could say if it was a five test match, it would have been interesting from my thought process.
Yeah, before last question, after this question and answer is over, they are going to release some anthem, so everybody be in patience. Last one, Bhagavati.
Vijay, this one is for you. You didn't play in the last IPL. Then you haven't been out of the Indian limited overs team for a while. Now, how important will this IPL be for your? You said that you had hopes of making it to the T20 World Cup, 2019 World Cup. Do you see this as a great opportunity for yourself to prove as a limited overs player again in this IPL? Given that you are going to play with CSK again, a franchise that has had a lot of success with.
It's a dream come true moment for me, to be honest, and to represent CSK and put up a show for them is always a pleasure, and I think I'm good enough to do that, and hopefully I can be consistent this season and put up a good show.